Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're just going to be changing the air filter on the B58. Very simple, okay? It's right there. You're going to get one clip there, one clip there, one clip there, and one right down there. Okay, you're going to get one. It looks just like this. The easiest way to do this is to it can be quite tricky to do with your hands, but you'll need this because to get that end one down there. Let's see that it's a bit jammed. And I hand that one though. Yeah, it's just this one here that's going to be a pain. You gotta just, it's behind there. There we go. Over, okay. Lift it up. Take it out. Come on, big man. There we go. Not that bad, to be fair. Not that bad at all. Let me just get a thumbnail. Okie dokie. Cross land is the new one going in. Honestly, it doesn't actually matter because I don't actually know why I'm changing this, because I will be changing all of this and putting an induction kit in there. But just in case someone doesn't want to do that, it does go in like this. So the little pyramid like this, put the new one in. Even though the old one is okay. Straight in there. And just set that. And then you just gotta sit it nicely, like that. Try to do it in my hand. The only difficult one will be that one with the pipe, not this one. What seems a bit tricky, this one here, back down there. Because it's very hard to... Wait, where is it? Oh, there it fell. It's here for a click. Nope. There we go. Beautiful. And that is that. I shall see you in the next one, the boys.